Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel at Softtrix. We specialize in delivering the top-notch digital marketing solutions, helping the businesses maximize their online success. Today we are diving into an comprehensive case study wherein we have helped a lead-based business generate consistent bookings through the Google AdWords. As it's totally starting from scratch, this business specializing in providing home security products such as the smart doorbells and the cameras, and they came to us struggling to generate high quality leads and the booking through their data marketing efforts. So let's break down how we have transformed their campaigns and optimized their ad spend and that delivered impressive results. As this client was starting totally fresh ads, we have worked on building everything from the ground up, ensuring a solid foundation for future success. We began by setting up the Google AdWords campaigns. Specifically, we carefully crafted a lead-focused campaign structure with the clear goal of maximizing the high quality leads at the lowest possible cost. Next, we have integrated the Google Analytics 4 and the Google Tag Manager. This allowed us to track the detailed user behavior, conversions and the interactions with the site. Setting up the GA4 was essential to measure the complete customer journey and understand how visitors engaged with the client's website. We were able to capture the key data points such as the session duration, pages viewed and the specific actions taken. This has helped us further refine the campaign strategies. We also performed the extensive keyword research, ensuring the campaign were targeting most relevant, high converting keywords. By analyzing the search volume, competition and the user intent, we have identified the most impactful keywords for their services. However, we did not stop there. We have implemented a strategy to regularly update and optimize the keyword list based on the performance data. We have also incorporated the negative keyword to prevent the ads from showing for relevant searches, ensuring that the client was not wasting the money on the low converting or the irrelevant traffic. This tactic helped us focus on users who were actively looking for their specific products. A crucial element of the optimization process was to continuously analyzing the demographics of users who engaged with the ads. By understanding where conversions were coming from geographically, we could adjust the targeting to focus on regions that were generating the best results. Additionally, we have monitored the device performance, ensuring that the ads were optimized for the mobile phone, desktop and the tablet views based on how users were interacting with the website. To ensure the maximum return on investment, we have used the smart bidding strategies to automatically adjust the bids based on the likelihood of a conversion. This allowed us to prioritize the high converting opportunities and reduce the CPA. Through the ongoing bid adjustments, we were able to focus on the budget on the high performing keywords and eliminate the waste to underperforming ones. The strategy was integral in lowering the CPA while consistently generating the quality leads. Another significant step is to improving the campaign performance was regularly testing and refining the ad creatives. We have created the multiple variations of the ad copy and adjusted messaging to align with the user intent and the motivations. The goal was to ensure that the ads were speaking directly to the needs of the target audience, whether they were looking for the home security solutions or specifically interested in smart doorbell cameras. Furthermore, we have kept a close eye on the traffic and the conversion data, making real-time adjustments. By analyzing this data, we could identify the patterns such as which traffic sources and the demographics were driving the most conversions. If certain segments were not proving well, we have paused those campaigns and redirected the budget to more profitable ones, ensuring that every dollar was well spent. This level of precision in tracking and the optimizations allowed us to keep the campaigns running efficiently without the overspending. The results were remarkable. Over the course of the campaign, we have generated around 134 bookings per month with a CPA of just $13. This was just a significant achievement as the client was able to generate consistent leads without breaking their budget. The conversion rate steadily improved as we have fine-tuned the targeting, bidding and the creatives. Through ongoing data analysis, we have maintained a low CPA while increasing the volume of qualified lead and the bookings. We also kept the client informed through the detailed weekly quarterly and the monthly reports that outline their campaign performance, cost breakdown, and the key metrics such as the CTR, conversion rate, and the CPA. These reports provided the full transparency and helped the client understand where their marketing spend was going and how they were generating the results. In conclusion, this case study highlights the importance of a well-rounded and the data-driven approach to the lead generation campaign. By combining keyword search, negative keywords, smart bidding, demographic analysis, and the continuous campaign optimization, we were able to deliver the outstanding results. So if you have any campaigns running in the similar niche, you can contact us for the free audit. There is a phone number on the top right corner. You can contact us on WhatsApp. We will be able to look at your campaigns and then we can give you the audit report. The audit report will be free of cost, and then the audit report will have what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. But if you do not have any campaign running, then don't worry about it. You can still share with us some basic information like the website URL, the monthly budget, and the location targeting. We can get back with the plan of action on what you can do to bring your business online to the next level. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.